how to find ads personalization settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find ads personalization settings on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and then click profile here, and then just click these three lines in the top corner, and now click settings and privacy, and here you will find privacy. Click on it, and now here you will see this one, ads personalization. Just click on it, and as you see here you can manage ads personalization settings. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.